Hello, and welcome to this whiteboard session where we'll discuss the Arctic Wolf Security Operations Cloud. It's well known that threats are increasing at an exponential rate year over year. These threats are attacking your endpoints, your network, your cloud, and your humans. Together, these elements combine to create something called the attack surface. The traditional approach has been to leverage tools to try and combat the problem. The issue, though, with growing threats and a growing attack surface is that this can oftentimes lead to an overload of alerts and noise. Compounding the problem is that people are increasingly hard to find, train, and retain. And this can, of course, lead to a dramatic reduction in confidence in your overall security program. And security leaders know that the combination of all these things introduces a lot of risk to the organization. These problems, however, can be solved by building a security operations center, or a SOC. The problem with building a security operations center, though, is that it takes a lot of people, time, and money. This is where Arctic Wolf can help solve these challenges with our Security Operations Cloud. There are several key components to the Arctic Wolf Security Operations Cloud, the first of which is that we deliver security operations as a concierge service. The concierge security team consists of a team of triage engineers and 2 named engineers assigned to you who become an extension of your team. The combination of the Arctic Wolf platform and the concierge security team means that you will only receive 1 to 2 real alerts in any given week. The next concept is that of something we call security journey. Security journey means that we work with you to improve your security posture over time. A novel concept with the Arctic Wolf Security Operations Cloud is that we are vendor neutral. This means that any investments you made into other technologies can be leveraged by Arctic Wolf to help identify threats. Security operations at Arctic Wolf is divided into a number of modules. The first is managed detection and response, where we provide advanced threat detection and response for threats that might enter your environment. Managed risk is used for continuous vulnerability and risk management to reduce the likelihood of an attack being successful. Managed cloud monitoring provides threat detection and risk management for your cloud environments, including IaaS, SaaS, and your Office 365 and G Suite environments. Managed security awareness prepares employees to recognize and neutralize social engineering attacks. Lastly, the entirety of the Security Operations Cloud relies upon simple, predictable pricing. If we zoom out, all of these components of the Arctic Wolf Security Operations Cloud provide you with the protection, resilience, and guidance you need to effectively end cyber risk. In fact, we're so confident in this capability that we back up our service with up to a $1 million service assurance. Thank you for taking the time to better understand the Arctic Wolf Security Operations Cloud.